Oh, bitch. I plucked the out of this. Ooh. Oh my fucking gosh. I'm so excited.
I remember when we started texting. I was playing it cool, you was flexing. I know I wasn't the only one you messed with, but it was good, I was on to the next one. I remember when you started checking up, boy, you must have learned your lesson. Trying to tell me how I always was a blessing. Stayed in the area, but you guessed it. Yeah, I got you. Too bad I'm vibing, nigga, I'll be fine without you.
What's up, rich girls? What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl, Richgirlred, and I'm back with another one. So today we are doing a Amazon wig install with this wig. I don't want to say the company too much yet because got some stuff going on with them right now. So I don't even know if I really want to promote them. Okay, like, yeah. So if y'all haven't already, make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Make sure y'all go ahead and hit the like button and hit the share button. Share it to your bestie so your bestie know how to put on a wig, baby. Okay, I'm not a professional. Let's just go ahead and just put that out there. I'm not a professional, but I love to show the girlies on how I put on wigs and my journey and how I find cheap wigs, things of that nature. So if you are looking for a YouTube on how to put your wig on, if you want to learn how to find cheap wigs and how to get wigs for the free on Amazon, this is definitely the YouTube channel for you. So right now I'm putting on my cap. You want to go ahead and take your Got2b glue and spray it down. I like to use a double cap. I found this girl, I want to say on TikTok. I don't remember the creator's name. I wish I did. If I did, I'll make sure I put her in the video. But I seen where she had double capped her head as well, and it just looked like it was pretty efficient. So I wanted to try something new. I went ahead and did this method. I put one cap on like halfway on my head, as you can see, and then I put the other cap on top, pulled it all the way down. These caps were kind of small, so I would suggest getting some that's big enough to do all that. Now right here, y'all, I have no idea what the hell was going on with my lights, all the flickering and all that. I don't know what was going on with my video and why it was flickering and doing all that crazy stuff, y'all. But it'll definitely clear up throughout the video. I have no idea why my camera was doing that. I'm not gonna lie to you. So anyways, you want to make sure you get one of these little razors and just cut off any excess. Now what I like to do, I hate that y'all really can't see it because of the lights, but what I like to do is cut it to where I can use the little band to hold my cap down, if that makes sense. So I cut around all that little excess and I put the band on the top of my head. So you'll see what I'm talking about once I actually do that. Okay, once I get it put back, like I said, you just want to take the straight razor and you want to cut off all the excess. Now, here's where I kind of messed my cap up, y'all. The best method I feel like doing your cap, and I will make sure I show y'all in the next video that I do with doing my mom's hair. The best way to do my cap on me personally, because I have long sideburns, is to do them under a hair dryer. Like actually sit up under a hair dryer and let it dry fully so it can get all sides of my head. Because y'all, it just seems like when I try to dry it with a regular dryer, it just does not come out the way I need it to come out, and usually my sideburns start lifting. So I end up getting my other sideburn to lay down. But that is something y'all have to think about. If you have long sideburns, you may need to cut them some, and then you also may just have to bring your cap down a lot further. Which, if you have to do that, you need to make sure that you have some caps that are big enough, because these caps was small as hell. Like, I know I got a big head, but these caps was little, like real little. So I couldn't really do much. As y'all see, I'm just taking the Got2b and respraying it, holding it down, and then I'm gonna take my dryer and I'm gonna dry that. Also, when I'm doing this, I also like to lay it down with the band, just because it helps it stay down, and it helps it to stick on my sideburns. Now this is at the point to where now I sit under the hair dryer, but because I didn't have my hair dryer, I would just be drying it with my regular dryer. But to me, it is best to sit up under a hair dryer. Like, it just dries it so much better. Okay, so you're gonna leave this tied down honestly until it dries. I did not have a allotted time. You just want to leave it down until it's not rolling up anymore and it's not dry. You want to take your makeup or your lace tint and you want to brush it on the top of your hair. I mean, not on the top of your hair, y'all, on the top of your bald cap. Not on your hair, but you want to make sure you also put it in your wig. Okay, also brush it on top of your wig. And y'all, if y'all just got to see how this lace finna look on this wig. All right, Amazon wig, $150, y'all. Bitch, I plucked the out of this shit. Ooh. Oh my fucking gosh, I'm so excited. This shit late. Y'all, I literally had to show y'all how excited I was about this wig, because y'all, look at the cap and look how the wig was just looking on my head. Like, y'all gotta rewind. If you ain't really see how that wig was looking, rewind for me, please. Now, I laid my glue. I did about 3 layers, and after that, I am going to use this green spray. Like I said, I will be linking everything I use down below, and I like to spray my lace, and I also like to spray where I want it to really stick and stay. This is a spritz, y'all. This spritz is bomb. Like, literally, I love this spritz. It works so good, and it lays my hair really well. After that, I go in with the Evian Lace Melt Mousse. So I really like this as well. If y'all want y'all lace to be laid and you want all those little flyaways to go away, this mousse is amazing, y'all. Now, I know a lot of people say they use it to lay their baby hairs. Me personally, I have a personal mousse that I like to lay my baby hairs that is very, very heavy on the baby hairs, y'all. Like, when I say that mousse works so fucking good, it works so fucking good. Now, after that, I went ahead and took this small pair of scissors and I went ahead and cut my baby hairs. To me, the best way to cut them is with the band on, because I can really get the angle that I want to get. Now, that's just personally for me. Everybody is different, but when I do them on myself, I like to cut them with the band on, because I can cut them in an angle to where how I want the baby hair to sit. Now, obviously, it's not going to be this long. I did end up going in and fixing it, but y'all, this is the finished look. Look at how good this lace laid. Like, look at how good your girl was looking. Like, y'all can't tell me this ain't chef's kiss. Your girl was looking good, feeling good, and this is a close-up picture just on the lace. Y'all, this lace was getting bomb. I love y'all. I will see y'all in the next video. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.
I'd be fine without you. Guess you found out all them other hoes wasn't about you, and now you're gonna waste your time. cool.